Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get perfect low light photos on your OPPO Find X9 Ultra. So first, we want to open up the camera app, and here in the camera app, we want to click and simply go over to the night settings. So we need to scroll down to, not scroll down, but scroll to the left side and go to more. Now here we enabled night. And now the night will be enabled once we are in a dark room. So as you guys can see, my studio is very bright, so it is of course normal that there is a bit of light. Now there's no night access available, but here you guys can take your photos, and now this is the photo without a low light. There's basically nothing you can see other than the camera I was pointing. And now this is the last photo without the night mode. Here is the picture with the night mode. So it is definitely better. You can notice everything that's on the desk, like the walls, the desk, and etc. So everything here is perfect. We can even see the logo of HardReset.Info. So we can check everything here. Basically, this is how it looks like, and the night mode works perfectly fine. Sometimes the colors may be a little bit off, but it is catching the closest colors, so that's why it looks like that. If you got some white in your room, then it should be more white in the picture. So that's how you guys can easily take the perfect low light photos. You guys can simply just go into a low light room or without a light at all, and everything will look good because of the cameras that are inside of the phone. As you guys can see, for example, this picture was 12 megapixels, but now this one was 50, and this one was also 12 and 12. So this is due to the cameras. Now the cameras here are so good that every photo looks good. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.